Hello everyone, we're now at a bay looking for tadpoles. Have a look around, this is what we see. Gail looking for tadpoles here. Have you found anything, Gail?
Not yet.
Not yet? No? Yeah, here we're just at a beautiful beach here. See, people are hanging out here. Today it's Sunday and it's a little bit cloudy today, but otherwise you would be able to see Venezuela, which is right over there. Over here is Roger and Ines looking for tadpoles as well. Have you found anything yet?
Tadpole as well.
Tadpole? Very exciting.
Fiddler crab. See the asymmetric.
See what Roger has found here?
There's one big one and
a crab.
you see it's huge pincer and the other one is small.
Yeah.
That's a fiddler.
The left one is very big.
Yep. Fiddler crab. Oh yeah.
We'll be back.